Welcome to Creative Suit Tutorials YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to use the auto beat feature in CapCut PC. We can import audio from this section here. We can also use these options or search for audio which we want. Let's use this beat in our project by importing it in timeline. As we can hear, this is a simple beat sound. Now if we select the audio from here, auto beat feature will appear here. If we click on it, we can get two levels of beats. From beat 1 we will get the major beat in this audio. From beat 2 we will get all the major and subset beats as well. We can see that when the pointer reaches the beat, the marker highlights. Now let's add some photos to the timeline. Now we will match the ending of each photo on the beat marker. If we want to make out slideshow a little fast, we can align them with subset beats also. Let's copy these pics and paste them in front so that our slideshow length increases. Next, to make this more interesting, we will add transitions to it. We will try to add alternating transitions so that the video looks good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.